you at the ramp. Whatever.
Oh, you need the key. Here you go.
Yeah. I'll meet you at the ramp and I'll let you go.
Gotcha.
If we pull cars in, I literally stop right there. He's like, pull it in. I'm like, no.
Nope, you're good. Exactly. Here's my baby. Shout out to Drone Mobile. Oh yeah. God, she look good. She looks so good, man. Yeah, you can back it up a little bit. God, look at that. Yes. That looks so good right there. That looks good.
Very tasteful.
Very tasteful.
Gotta worry about scrubbing.
Nothing. So what all did we do to it, man?
All right, so we did the AAD adjustable spring kit.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, the KW adjustable spring kit.
KW, yeah.
So I'll go ahead and give you the specs on that.
Mhm.
We lowered it. It's around about, our measurements is around 0.8 in the front,
Okay.
lowered, and around 0.9 inches in the back that we lowered.
Gotcha.
So not much, but in comparison, the iBox are 1.1 in the front and 1.3 in the back.
Gotcha.
So definitely higher than the iBox.
Yeah.
But the reason we pull the camber out, it gives the illusion that we don't have to lower it as much. So the lower you go, the more harsh it is.
Yeah.
Obviously, that makes sense. So we pull those tires out, you know, to give it more positive camber.
Sure.
So we don't have to lower it as much. So we get the look.
Yeah.
And we get the good drivability.
And your alignment specs.
And your alignment, yeah.
And, you know,
so
where
I can tell you that the camber that we got in the back is almost zero.
Good shit.
Which is what you want. That's full contact pattern of your tire. You know, so it's definitely aiding in traction.
Good stuff.
Sure. So the front we can't go zero because it's not going to handle very well.
Sure.
AAD doesn't recommend that as well. So the spring kit, our custom specs, and then the AAD upper control arms.
Yeah.
And then the upper wheel hop eliminator kit in the back from AAD.
Very nice.
So we're not spinning tires.
Yeah.
You know, we might still be spinning tires.
We probably will be spinning a little bit.
But
Wheel hop,
no
exactly.
wheel hop,
No wheel hop.
You know, it's going to be a very controlled feeling of
Gotcha.
spinning.
Gotcha.
You know, the back is perfect.
Yeah. This looks really good in the back. That fitment is perfect.
I mean, you could probably even fit a water tire back there.
Yeah. These are 305s, so these are the OEMs.
So I have 315s on mine.
Yeah.
The rear only.
Okay.
You can do that if you want, you know.
I think it looks great how it is.
I think it looks good how
I was
it
about
is.
to say, I really like the 305s.
You know, you wanna stick your tire. I mean,
Yeah.
You can do that too.
Very nice.
Your square setup, so it rotates it easy.
Very nice.
I mean, yeah.
Very
This
nice.
is a very winning, you know, gentleman setup. You
Absolutely.
know, it rides good.
Yes.
You know, you're not going to destroy the bottom of your car.
Yeah. That was my biggest fear, is hitting the small bumps, even the smallest of bumps.
And this kit works really well with the factory shocks. I know that's a big concern of a lot of people.
Yeah, very true.
You still can use your track mode.
You can still
Yeah.
use,
mode, all
you know,
that.
these
All
work
that.
really well with the Bilstein shocks. KW engineers their stuff really, really well.
Very nice.
So there's no worry there.
Very nice.
KW, front control arms AAD,
Yeah.
the wheel hop eliminator kit AAD, alignment, install, the whole nine. It was right at like $4,600–4,700.
Somewhere around there.
Yeah. We're
And
still
so,
working on like a final price, so that way we can put a package out there for you guys, so that way you know, hey, it's $4,600 out the door, whatever we come up with.
Gotcha.
I mean, that's a lot of money. Like,
Yeah.
I get it, but like,
Sure.
this stuff is,
And
these joints are high-end joints, you know, and these control arms are designed to be lowered.
Yeah.
That's a very important point.
Very true.
They're not fixed, they're adjustable.
You know,
Yeah.
these have, the geometries have all been changed to compensate for a lowered car.
Gotcha.
So that's one thing that you'll find out if you've been lowering cars as long as I've been lowering cars.
Yeah.
You know,
The
those
one guy that hit
those
us
arms, those control arms, they fail prematurely. You
I
know,
believe it.
Stuff happens with those factory bushings and all that.
Actually, the one guy that already hit us up on your messenger, he was like, "Hey, I have IBOC now," and I hate it.
Yeah,
Exactly.
His words, not mine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he was
So-
like, "I want to do the same thing that Knockout did."
Yeah.
So that's, you know, we priced him this morning actually.
I
So-
think that's what people do. They go with the IBOC because of the aesthetics, the look of it.
Yeah.
But they're sacrificing their performance. So as always, guys, man, Palmer Dodge. Got my man Kyler Ryan taking care of me as always. Dropped the cat, but we did it the right way, not the cheap way. Got some quality products on here, all sponsored by Direct Connection, Palmer Dodge. Check them out. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll put the link and everything to their website, as well as how to contact them.
Absolutely.
And
Instagram is the best.
Instagram, yeah. Instagram, DM them, all that good stuff. They'll reach out to you because you run the Instagram, right?
For the most part, yeah.
Gotcha.
I mean, he's the
he's-
money guy.
Yeah.
I'm a content guy.
There you go.
You know,
He makes all the reels.
I'm filming.
He makes all the reels, all the crazy stuff that you
check
see
that
on there.
reel out.
Yeah, Reel master.
Yeah, check that reel out. It's good.
So you should know when you're DMing the Instagram page, you're talking to
Probably. Most
you're
likely.
more than likely him. Yeah.
More than likely.
Yeah. So he's going to be able to
But we
talk
work
shop and all that
closely
good
together,
stuff.
So, you know,
Yeah.
I'm always down there in his stall.
Yeah,
Good
we're,
stuff.
We're a partnership, so
Good
we
stuff,
got you
man.
one way or the other.
But yeah, man, I'm happy. My cat is back. My headlights are working. It's lowered. I'm in good shape. I'm going to take this 4 hours up the road back to Charlotte, man.
Right.
We'll go from there. As always, appreciate you guys.
Absolutely.
See you in the next one. God, I love that look. I love that. Listen to that AWE.